Welcome to Applied, designers and manufacturers of the world's #1 PTO driven air compressor.
Just like with your tractor, your Applied Varimount 350 needs to be maintained properly to ensure optimal performance. The Applied Genuine Service Kit is an easy, cost-effective solution for completing routine services and repairs on your Varimount 350.
Each service kit is tailored to help give your Varimount 350 the attention it deserves and comes standard with a set of guaranteed original Applied spare parts, including air filter element core, thermostatic valve oil filter, air oil fine separator, Varimount Magnum Airend lubricant, small chain oiler brush, and a large chain oiler brush. Using their service kit can help reduce the time and money spent on maintenance and repairs, avoid downtime, and extend the life of your Varimount 350.
As per the owner's manual, you should service your Varimount 350 after the first 500 hours of operation, then again at 3,000 hours, 6,000 hours, and every 3,000 hours thereafter. Note that the service intervals for the oil filter, air filter, and air oil fine separator can vary depending on the work environment.
Order your Genuine Service Kit today through Applied Varimount's dealer network.
Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about servicing your Varimount 350 PTO compressor, feel free to contact us.